Finally gotten dressed and refreshed, and we're off to the next spot. Exactly. And we were thinking we shouldn't leave Rugby, but we're very happy, right?
Yeah, I mean Rugby was pure love, but this is also amazing.
We're all just tripping over how pretty it is, and we're so happy we've done like different places. So I'll have to check it out. Also, full honeymoon feels are happening. It is hilarious. But wait, I'm not going to be honeymooning just one. I got 2 girls. Yay!
Where is the purple bag?
So this is a beautiful bed which has been laid out and
Honeymoon bed. For me. I'll change.
Oh, so pretty. Just full white. I think I want my room to look like this. And well, hello, who put their bags here? Okay, never mind. And this is so nice. The whole walkway goes till right outside, and the washroom is small but cute. And oh, that is so cute. I love the way the curtain is there. It has these like golden, like Victorian-ish feels. Like even the cupboard, so simple yet so nice. And here also, so I'm guessing we were staying somewhere that side because we could see those no cap peaks earlier, and that's the whole of town. And this is what it looks like outside, which is pretty cute. Got into Mall Road, yes. And it is so crowded. Oh my god, I think we enjoyed just being like in absolute serenity. But we need good food, and this is a spot to be at. It's about 5ish in the evening, and we're headed out to take a hotel tour because this place is so huge.
Another garden that's called Beer Garden. Hotel ka last corner is.
In 1902, they made it into a hotel, a lodge, and then it was privately run until 2013.
So till 1902 it was a school?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. Oh my god, this is so cozy.
We have to come here for a drink.
Yeah,
sure.
It's damn cute and
Just
cozy.
one drink, yeah.
This also looks like
What
a
is that?
very fancy house.
Are you making a video?
Yeah.
पहले बताना पड़ेगा. You need to बता देते.
This is so pretty. But it's quite similar to ours.
But this one is very handy.
Yeah.
एक बदला रख.
Oh, so that's the difference. They have a powder room. Oh my god, that's sweet. Wow, look at the moon. I think one girl is sleeping today. Apple toddy. So we're at the Lhama Cafe. That's so pretty and well lit, and everything is so Christmassy. Okay. Oh my god, I have to show you how huge this is. Devil's food cake. Total egg. And yeah, devil. For the devil. Good morning from Savoy. The best part about this morning is there are 2 views. One is this view from our room. And I'm going to show you the second view from our room. And this is the second view. So pretty. This is right what we see outside our window. was gonna try and do that, but I just realized I had breakfast, so maybe not. And we're ready to go for some souvenir shopping. Between Mall Road and Landau, we saw this really cute antique shop, and we're gonna go check that out. Got up for a long nap and we're back to Doon. And we're hoping to have a nice evening here before we head out back for Pune tomorrow. We all just ran out of the car and we flipped it. What else is here? मुंह में डालो. Good morning. We're off to the Dehradun airport because it's the end of our trip. So sad. But what a trip, it's been amazing. Right?
Yes, of course.
Yay!
Because it was my bachelorette. That's why.
What Shanti. A perfect place to get airport look. The trip is over!
No,
Yeah, no, yes! Sad faces.
But thank you guys.
Now we can't wait for the wedding. Woohoo!
We can't wait for the next bachelorette.
Alice!